Did you know that even old windows can be transformed into something amazing? 70+ inspirations and ideas. If you're considering replacing old windows with new ones, be sure to check out these unique ideas on how to give your home or apartment a distinctive character using old windows. With just a bit of time and a touch of creativity, your old windows, whether with glass or without, can be repurposed in many simple and imaginative ways. Disassembled and discarded windows can often be acquired for free. People throw them away without realizing the unique possibilities they offer. They can be used as architectural elements, cupboard doors, hung on walls as artistic pieces, or incorporated into modern furniture. And if you're not up for it, there will surely be plenty of interested buyers on online marketplaces. Just like old windows, old discarded doors can also be used. With a bit of creativity and skillful hands, an original accessory is born. See how? And if you're not up for it, there will surely be plenty of interested buyers on online marketplaces. So, if you have some really old windows, don't throw them away. There are endless possibilities for what you can do with them. Come and take a look with us.